In 632 CE, Prophet Muhammad embarked on his final pilgrimage to Mecca. This journey, known as the Farewell Pilgrimage, marked a pivotal moment in Islamic history. It was during this time that he delivered his last sermon, a profound message addressed to an estimated 100,000 Muslims gathered at Mount Arafat. This sermon encapsulates the essence of Islamic teachings, emphasizing universal values of unity, equality, and compassion. The Prophet's words resonated with the diverse crowd, coming from various tribes and backgrounds. His message transcended the social and cultural norms of the time, offering a blueprint for a just and equitable society. The last sermon serves as a timeless reminder of the core principles of Islam, relevant not only for the Prophet's followers then, but for all humanity for all time. The Prophet's sermon stressed the sanctity of life. He declared that taking an innocent life is an abhorrent crime, equivalent to killing all of humanity. Conversely, saving a life is like saving all of humanity. This principle underscores the inherent value of each individual and the importance of safeguarding human dignity. Furthermore, the Prophet emphasized the importance of protecting property rights. He condemned theft and urged his followers to respect the belongings of others. This principle aimed to establish a just society where individuals feel secure in their possessions. One of the most significant aspects of the last sermon was the Prophet's condemnation of usury, or exploitative lending practices. He declared it unlawful, emphasizing the importance of economic justice and fairness in all transactions. This declaration aimed to dismantle systems that perpetuate poverty and inequality. The Prophet also advocated for the rights of women, a radical stance in 7th century Arabia. He emphasized their right to inheritance and condemned their mistreatment. His teachings challenged patriarchal norms, promoting the equal treatment and empowerment of women within society. The Prophet concluded his sermon by emphasizing the importance of adhering to the Quran, the holy book of Islam, and the Sunnah, his teachings and practices. He reminded his followers that these sources of guidance would illuminate their path and ensure their spiritual and moral well-being. The last sermon stands as a testament to the Prophet's vision of a just and compassionate world. His message of unity, equality, and justice continues to resonate with millions worldwide, inspiring them to strive for a more equitable and harmonious society. The principles he espoused in his final address remain eternally relevant, offering timeless wisdom for navigating the complexities of human existence.